'Twas the night before Halloween, when all through the dark not an engine was stirring, not even Gilwell Park. The children were standing on the platform with care, with hopes that their missing parents soon would be there. The locos were nestled all snug in their sheds, while visions of Emily danced in their heads.
Where's Thomas?
With I on the platform and the missus on the track, I had just tied her down, covering her head with a sack.
Please come and untie me.
When out from the rails there arose such a clatter, I turned my head slightly to see what was the matter. Down to the track bed I leapt with excitement. Maybe a train was coming. I knew what that meant. My ears were straining for any more noise, and my peepers were watching for the approaching joys, when what to my wondering eyes should arrive but a miniature ghost train with ghost wagons, roughly 5, with a little old driver so loathsome and thick. I knew in a moment it was my arch enemy Rick. I stood calmly by the track, as quiet as a rat. Rick didn't even notice me, or my hideous old bat. The ghost train ploughed on like a tractor from hell, towards my dearly beloved, and some of her belongings as well. The train crunched over my lady with no care. Rick even seemed quite relaxed. He was just combing his hair. But of course, as a ghost train, it didn't much matter. It had driven right over her, and she wasn't no flatter.
What's happening?
It was then that I realised, with a sudden jolt of anger, that my plan had failed. It would have been simpler to have hanged her. Back to the station I loped with despair. I pretended to rescue her, dusting the soot from her hair.
Thank you.
I carried her grudgingly from that miserable scene. Maybe I'll try again at Christmas, or on next Halloween. Morning now.